Here's a simple and healthy cake recipe that's not only delicious, but also keeps you satisfied for a significant part of the day. To start, take one ripe banana and mash it well in a mixing bowl. Next, add 1 cup of whole grain oats, which is about 50 grams, to the mashed banana. Crack 1 egg into the mixture and add a dash of vanilla, either liquid or powder, for flavor. Stir these ingredients together thoroughly, while slowly adding half a cup of milk. You can use either full cream or skimmed milk based on your preference. For sweetness, you can add honey or stevia according to your taste. Once the mixture is well combined, pour it into a baking dish and place thin slices of banana on top. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake the mixture for 20 to 30 minutes. After baking, you will have a quick and healthy banana oats cake that is perfect to satisfy your hunger, with each piece containing just about 65 calories. Enjoy this delightful treat as a nutritious snack any time of the day.